Hi, this is John Hecker. I'm the pro here at Brookleaf Country Club in Rochester, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a couple swings here of me hitting some pitch shots outside the other day, and we're going to compare some things that will help us determine what you got to do to hit your ball further. Okay, the screen on the left is a 20-yard pitch shot, and the screen on the right is a 60-yard pitch shot. So what do we notice at address? What's different there? Well, the first thing you notice is my stance is a little bit wider with the longer club. But other than that, not too much. All right, we're going to start with this, the 20-yard shot and kind of map out how far the club's going back. So as we start going back here, we see that that's the completion of the backswing. I'll put a line on that, kind of keep track of that, and then we'll put another line on the follow-through so we can kind of map out how far that went through. You can see my follow-through is a little bit shorter than my backswing, which is kind of interesting. And now we're going to do the same on the 60-yard shot. So here I am at address. We swing back. Club goes a little bit further back, as you can see. Put a line on that. We're coming through here. Let's see how far the club comes through. Goes back quite a bit further into the finish here. So we've got a couple things to factor in. Number one, we've got the width of the stance to factor in and the length of the swing. The other thing, if you've been noticing, there's a timer up on the right-hand corner of each of the screens. That says how long it took the swings to take. Now, here's the interesting part. I'm going to take you back to the beginning. And this is the 20-yard shot again. So I'm going to swing the club back, and then I'm going to bring the club back to the ball. And it took approximately 1.083 seconds to go from my backswing into impact. Now let's go to the 60-yard shot. Okay, on the screen there you can see it doesn't quite start perfectly, but it's pretty close. We swing it back, get into impact here. The ball's just leaving the club face, and look at that. It takes 1.05 seconds. Okay, so what does that tell us? Well, that tells us that the swing has actually taken less time with the 60-yard shot than it did with the 20-yard shot. Okay, what does that mean? Well, it means the club is clearly moving faster. Even though the swing is longer, the club is moving faster. So to hit a longer shot, we actually have to vary the pace of your swing, increasing the swing to hit the ball further. Now, I think a lot of people thought all you had to do was swing the club back further and the ball would go further, but clearly this is showing us a little something different with this. So anyway, if you look at these two swings, it gives you an idea of some of the things that you might do in your own swing to hit the ball a little bit further with a less than full swing. So we know that the narrow stance is a key. We know that the shorter swing is a key, and ironically, the swing's going to be a little bit further as the distance goes on, but we're also going to swing a little bit harder. So I hope that helps you with your pitching game, and we'll look forward to seeing you here early in the next season.